Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be learning how to create a stock chart in Excel. This stock kind of chart shows stock volume traded and whether one made a profit or loss on the specified date. For example, we have a table that contains the stock price fluctuation data from 1st August to 5th August. If the requirement is to show fluctuations in the stock prices graphically, then insert stock chart in Excel worksheet containing the above table to get desired output. Let's get started. Great. Let's understand what is stock chart in Excel. Stock chart in Excel is a column plot that helps to show the fluctuations in stock prices graphically. The chart plots the entire range of data points as a single line along with highs and lows in a given period. The graph shows stock price fluctuations in the form of boxes and lines extending upwards and downwards from them. When empty boxes represent profits from stocks, the filled boxes indicate loss in the stock prices. And larger the box size, the larger the profit or loss at the day end. On the other hand, the lines moving upward and downward denote the highest and lowest price on a specific day. For example, the plot for August 1st shows the box from £25 66 pence to £25 80 pence, with the highest and lowest stock values for being £25 84 pence and £25 55 pence. And as the closing value is greater than the opening value, the plot indicates profit. Let's go to the main dataset now and create stock chart. The table shows the stock price fluctuations from 1st August to 10th August. Step 1. Select the cell range of data and click Insert. Recommended charts to open the Insert Chart window. Select All Charts, Stock to choose the specific stock chart type. For this example, we shall pick second option. Let's format inserted chart to interpret it in line with the stock chart in Excel definition. Step 2. Click the chart area to enable Chart Elements option plus icon. Then check Access Titles box. Next, place cursor on the option Legend in the Chart Elements drop-down list and select Top to shift the legend to the top in the chart area. Finally, update chart title and access titles by double-clicking on the respective elements in the chart area as depicted below. Let us see stock chart interpretation using the 8th August data. The box ranges from opening to the closing from £25 51 pence to £25 72 pence. And vertical line above and below box extends to the high and low values, £26 15 pence and £25 48 pence, respectively. So thus, as the closing stock value is more than the opening value, the graph indicates profit from the stock at the end of 8th August. On the other hand, as per the 10th August data, the closing value is less than the opening value of the stock. So the box extends downwards, £25 23 pence to £24 98 pence. And the chart indicates this depreciation using a filled box. That's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative coding content. Drop a comment below with your own creations. I'd love to see what you come up with. See you next time.